Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something a little different. We're going to talk about botanicals today. Little things we can add to our tanks, specifically Catappa leaves. Now Catappa leaves are also known as Indian almond leaves, and of course they come from almond trees. I will spare you the Latin names because we all know I can't pronounce those. Now, these trees are found throughout the tropical world with places like Asia, Africa, Australia. And in nature, the Catappa leaves are going to fall into rivers and other water bodies. And they're going to tint the water brown, kind of like the color of tea, as they, break down. We have the same things here. Leaves fall in the water. Our water will be a little brown from those leaves, of course. Now, there's a chemical compound in these leaves called tannins, and that's what we want when we're using these leaves. That's what we're looking for out of these leaves that they're breaking down. Now, those tannins have a chemical property that helps heal, more naturally help fight off fungal infections, bacterial, and sometimes parasitic infections as well in nature and our aquariums, which, makes them a very useful tool for those of us in the aquarium trade where people want them to help with blackwater setups, to stain their tanks that color brown, and it's just going to help with making our fish healthier. It's going to keep them healthy. It's going to act like a vitamin supplement, sort of, if you think it human-wise. That's what these are going to do for our tanks. And since it will act as this natural antibiotic, parasitic barrier, fungal thing, things like betta fish and community tanks and other fish that can handle a slightly lower pH water. Because the two side effects of using this are your water gets stained that tea brown, and it's going to lower your pH as those leaves break down and release these tannins in the water. Now, there was actually a study done over in Asia using tilapia and their breeding habits, their eggs. And it was actually found that using an extract of the Catappa leaves, which is a much more concentrated form of these leaves, was actually helpful in fighting certain parasites and bacterial and fungal infections. Things that we can see crop up on our tanks. So using the extract will help that as well. But if we have the leaves, it's not going to be as effective. It's going to be more therapeutical than medication using the leaf version. Now, you could add, a large amount of leaves and dose a leaf or two every couple of weeks and eventually build up a high concentration of it. But for most people, they're just going to throw in a handful of leaves once a month or so, and it's going to be the end of it. So it's going to be more of a therapeutical. Think, like when we take an over-the-counter cold and flu medicine, it's not going to fully kick out the infection, the illness, but it's going to help us fight it off easier. And this, of course, is one of the good reasons why they're helpful in betta tanks. The bettas already love a low pH water. You're going to probably be keeping them in a smaller tank, probably a 2.5, a 5 gallon, even up to 10. And there's going to be more chances for things to go wrong with your water because it's smaller volume of water, that's going to happen. So using this alongside other things, it's just an added buffer, if you will, for us to make sure our betta fish and other low pH fish will be happy. So by using this, you're basically creating an entire tank of a relaxing agent for your fish. That's just going to be another way to naturally relax them and calm them down and help fight things off. And if you're a shrimper or have an invert tank, or even some fry-in fish will actually feed on the Catappa leaves as they break down. So it's a natural food source in our tanks that's going to, provide not only beneficial things in the way of healing properties, but also a food source that these guys will be used to in the wild if you're getting wild fish, of course. Now, you can get these from a lot of different companies, a lot of different places sell them. Personally, I've used the Dennerley Catappa leaves and the Fritz ones. I have gotten mine through KT Tropicals website at keepfishkeeping.com. I will put a link to them here if y'all want to check them out. They also actually sell the Fritz Dark Water, which is just concentrated Indian almond leaf extract. So if you don't want to have the natural food source of it, you don't like the look of leaves on the bottom of your tank, this extract is a perfect alternative for you because you're going to get the same beneficial properties out of it, but you're not going to have the leaf clutter on the bottom of your tank. So overall, you know, they're a fun little thing to add to our tank. Catappa leaves, they're easy enough to get. I'm going to just give these guys, let's give them a 9.5. We'll take it by half a point because they make your water tea color brown, and some people don't like that. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience using Indian almond leaves. If you haven't used them, if you thought about using them, let me know. If you collect other type of botanicals and throw them in your tanks, let me know as well. And of course, leave a like on the video. And if you're new here and enjoy this kind of content, remember to hit that sub button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.